Hey, are you looking how to create a custom tab in Salesforce? So in this video, I will show you two approaches to create a custom tab in Salesforce. So now let's get started. For creating a custom tab, we also need to create a object for which we will be creating a custom tab. So let's go to the setup option, navigate to this setting, then click on setup. So once you are on a setup page, you can go to this object manager to create a new object. So as I mentioned, two approaches. There are two ways to create a custom tab. One is when you are creating a custom object, at that time itself you can create a custom tab. Another one is, let's say you have created a custom object but you have not created a custom tab immediately while creating the custom object. So you can create a custom tab separately as well. So I will show you both the approaches here. For creating a custom object, click on this create button, select custom object, give the label to your object. So let's say we create two objects in this video. So let's say our first object is course, give the plural name. If this starts with a vowel sound, then mark this checkbox, otherwise leave it as it is. Object name is copied from above. If you want to enter any description, then you can mention the description in this description box. Leave other details as it is. These are the features. Let's say if you want to allow this object for reports, activities, and other details, you can mark the checkbox accordingly. So when you scroll down, here you will see launch new custom tab wizard after saving this object. If you mark this checkbox while creating this custom object, then once you save this custom object, your tab will get created automatically. So in this, I will show you the first approach while creating a tab, while creating a custom object. So let us mark this checkbox, click save. Here now you are on a tab section. You can see your object is selected here automatically. Next, you need to select your tab style. So you are having multiple options here to select your tab style. Select any one of them, whichever suits to you. Then after checking all the details, if you want to add a short description, you can mention the description in this description box. Click next. Here you can see there are options like if you want to enable a default on, default off, tab hidden, then you can select your preferences. After checking all these things, click next. In this, you are getting an option to include custom tab in all these custom apps. So let's say if you want to exclude this from any custom app, you can unmark the checkbox. Otherwise, if you want to include it in all the custom apps, then leave it as it is, and then click save. So now your object and your tab, both the things are created. You can navigate to any custom tab, custom apps, and here let's say we are selecting service here. So refresh a bit and you will see your courses tab is added here. From here you can directly create your courses. So this is the first approach to create a custom tab directly from a custom object. Now I am going to show you the next approach. For that you can again navigate to setup, and then you can create a new custom object. So same steps to create a custom object. Click on this create button, custom object. Let's say we create a custom object for students in the plural label. The description or leave the fields as it is. So here we are not marking this checkbox while creating a custom object. You can click save. And you can see our custom object is saved immediately, and no tab options we get in this time. So after creating this custom object, to create a custom tab, you can go to your home page here. In this home page, in the quick find, just search for tab. So here you can see there is a tabs option. In this tab section, you can just click on this new button. Here now you have to select the object on which you want to create a tab. So you can see we are having the student option available here. So select the student object, select the style for student object. You can pick up any style. Click next. Again, you are having the settings which we seen earlier on the while creating a custom object that time. So here you can select the option based on your accessibility, default on, default off, tab button. Then click next. If you want to apply this custom tab to all custom apps, then leave it as it is and then click save. So now we have successfully created a tab for students as well here. You can also see the list of custom tabs which are available in the system now. Now again go to the service app. So refresh a bit. So now you can see more option is added here next to that. So the complete space here is covered by these existing tabs. So you can click on more and see the students tab here. And from by clicking on this tab, you can directly create student records from this student tab. So that's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more Salesforce content. Thanks for watching.